Today we are going to learn how to plot a graph in MATLAB. So first, let's plot a graph of roll number and marks. Let's start. Okay, before that, first you need to open MATLAB as you can see here. I have already registered, but if you haven't, then you can sign in using your institutional mail ID to get free access. So now we can start. First, we define roll numbers like this. Roll is equal to one we took roll number from 1 to 10. Roll number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, then we have to choose any subject. Let's suppose I choose math here. Also I choose another subject here, which is completely optional to choose two subject or three subject or four subject or more subject. um n number of subject you can take here. Okay, so maths, we put the marks of these roll numbers respectively. Like 92 is the marks of roll number 1 in math subject. 99 is the marks of roll number 2 in math subject. 98 is the marks of roll number 3 in math subject. 95 is the marks of roll number 4 in math subject. Similarly, 79 is the marks of roll number 10 in math subject. I hope this is clear. And here I choose another subject which is completely optional, and the subject are also customized. You can choose any subject instead of this, and any marks instead of this. It's completely optional. Okay, so I chose another subject, bio, and similarly 99 is the marks of roll number 1 in bio subject, and 95 is the marks of roll number 2 in bio subject. 77 is the marks of roll number 10 in bio subject. 81 is the marks of roll number 9 in bio subject. Okay, I hope this is clear why we write this. Okay, next we use the plot function. What is plot function and why do we write this? Because the plot function is used to draw a graph. Here, roll is plotted on the x-axis and math is plotted on the y-axis. And hyphen B means the line is continuous, hyphen means continuous, and B represents blue color. So the line, it means the line is continuous and its color is blue. Okay. If we use star B, that means the it shows that the blue dots instead of lines. Star represents dots and hyphen represents continuous line. B represents blue. Okay, I hope this is clear. Then we write hold on. Why hold on? This is used to keep the previous graph on the screen if we want to plot another line later. Okay, like this. As you can see, I plot another line here, roll, bio, and hyphen R. Roll is plotted on the x-axis. Bio is plotted on the y-axis. Similarly, this. And hyphen R, hyphen represent continuous line and R represent color red, red color. Okay, blue represents, B represent as a blue color and R represent as a red color. I hope this is clear. Then we level the x-axis. X level, roll, backslash right arrow. This means that the x-axis represents the roll number. I took roll number on the x-axis. Okay, and the arrow indicates the direction of the x-axis. Similarly, y level shows that the y-axis represents marks. I took marks on the y-axis and the arrow indicates the direction of the y-axis. Then we give a title. The title, anything. It is completely customized and we can write anything here. Title graph between role and marks is replace the title actually at the top of the graph. Now let's run the code and see how it works. You can see here this is the run option. So let's run the code. See, you can see here blue represents the marks of math, I represents the marks of bio, and these are the marks, and this is the roll numbers, and marks arrow. This is because of this line, and roll arrow. This is because of this line, and graph between roll and number. This is because of this title. Okay, I hope you can understand the code and their works, their functions. If I write here y, here y represents yellow color, and then again run it, then you can see the yellow lines. It represents math numbers. Okay, if we write here the blue, it represent white color. Then again run it. You can see the graph. I mean this white line. This represents biomass. Okay, white, and then if I choose green G, it represent green color. See, you can see the changes, right? So I just choose white and blue. Okay, wait. I choose yellow and red. So I hope this is clear. And here's our graph. It shows the relationship between roll numbers and marks. So this is how we can easily plot a simple graph in MATLAB. I hope this helps you. And thanks guys for watching this video.